Why don't more people have swimming pools? Why doesn't everybody have a swimming pool? And I think you can't even start to answer this question without saying, well, it's because they're expensive. They're super expensive. A swimming pool is, in fact, a massive luxury, one of the most expensive luxuries that you're ever going to buy. So that's the main reason. I mean, the same reason that most people don't drive a Ferrari to work every day, because it's just not affordable. It's not within reach to the average person. But over and above that, there are other reasons why more people don't have swimming pools, and one of them would be safety. If you have small children in the home, there's a lot of people who would just not feel comfortable to have a swimming pool. Even if you had it, secured or gated, something to that effect, perhaps even covered, some people just wouldn't sleep well at night with small children in the home knowing that they had a swimming pool, because accidents do happen. And so that's another reason why somebody might not have a swimming pool. And let's look at another reason. And what about an above ground swimming pool? It's not even a permanent thing, right? It's literally a temporary swimming pool. Why not just put in one of those? Well, it's pretty expensive to put in still. And then eventually when it fails, and I mean, depending on the quality of the kit, you could be talking 5 years, 10 years, 25 years. Eventually, you're going to have to take it down. And now that whole area is kind of destroyed, and you need to re-landscape your entire property or potentially install another pool. So it is an ongoing cost and something to consider. And talking about in-ground pools, and the main point of this is that most people don't install a swimming pool because when you install a swimming pool, you're married to it. You can't just leave it and walk away. You can't install a swimming pool this summer and 2 years from now decide you're just going to spend the summer in Europe or something like that. Well, who's going to take care of the pool? You might think, well, I'll just not open it. I'm not even going to use it. I don't care. And most areas would have rules saying you have to open and operate your swimming pool, so it doesn't turn into a giant, bacteria-laden swamp in your backyard, because that's what would happen if you didn't open and maintain your pool. So once you get a pool, you're married to it. You have to do the maintenance to it. You have to operate it, you have to clean it, you have to maintain the chemicals, and even if you don't do it, you have to pay somebody else to do it. And then your pool is going to age, things are going to break down, you're going to have to replace them, you're going to have major renovations come due. So that's the reason why that more people don't have pools. It's really, really a commitment to the cause. You have to love swimming, and that's truly the case. If you're going to put in a swimming pool, you have to love swimming because it's a real commitment, especially with an in-ground pool. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can check out my website, swimmingpoolsteve.com.